Howdy, neighbors. Hope y'all are having a good day. We're dealing with the 90s, high 90s. It was 98 here yesterday. It's supposed to be the same today. Anyway, I went by the diesel guy today and he wasn't there. He was busy. Wanted to check in with him. And back here I got all the measurements finalized for the bracket that I'm going to have a guy build to put the mini split on. So that unit will be sitting up there covering my red lights. I'll have to put a light bar over the mini split or something, I don't know. But yeah, I have there she is. I'm getting ready to change the oil filter on the van. What do you think, Chloe? She's been working hard. Looking for mice. Yeah, so it's going to cost about 110, 120 bucks, something like that, to have a couple of brackets built that I'll be able to drill holes and bolt through the steel of the bus. And I'll put a couple of backing plates on the backside. And that should hold that. And then I have the piece of plywood. I had Ron pick that up for me, or Jeff. I'm sorry, Jeff went to where'd he go? Blythe yesterday. He was donating blood, I think he said. And so he stopped by the lumber store. A 2-foot by 4-foot piece of 3/4 inch plywood, $27. Yeah. My first bus, I used like 30 sheets of 3/4 inch plywood, and I paid like maybe 27 bucks a sheet back then for a 4x8 sheet, not a 1/4 of a sheet. Let's see, what else is going on? Oh, waiting for the mail so I can finish the GoFundMe stuff. But at this point, with the people around me and the money that I do have, I got some PayPal money plus my own. I was able to get this stuff and get it done, so that's what I'm working on. Oh, is Mimi coming out? Yeah. Chloe and Mimi, which is Colleen's new puppy, they're slowly becoming friends. Mimi's pretty hyper because she's a youngster. She's probably only 2 years old, someplace in there. And Chloe, being an old, 6 years old. Plus Chloe's really timid. But they're doing pretty good after being together for a week and a half, something like that. What do you think, Chloe? There's Mimi. Mimi going for a walk with her mama. You can get up here if you want. Come on. Oh, she's playing with her toy. Oh, she's got Gumby. She's got the Gumby. What do you think? You want to play with the Gumby? Maybe you'll learn from her to play with toys. She's definitely not a toy player. That lasts about a half a second with her. Ah.
Get in your chair.
Yeah, this is her chair. Mimi's chair. She looks like she's happy where she's at, huh?
Yeah, for a minute, right?
Yeah, always. This one, she's been under all the rigs about 4 times. Chloe's been under your rig 3 or 4 times. She's been under all these rigs.
This one?
Oh yeah, sniffing everything, looking.
Find anything?
Oh no. Yeah. All right, well, that's what's going on in my world right this moment. Kind of on hold from others, and I can't go. The guy is really busy today and tomorrow, so he's the welder. He's supposed to be available Thursday, he said, when I talked to him Friday or Saturday. So
Oops.
I'll be going over
Get your
there.
chair?
I'll be calling him tomorrow and then going over there if he's available, and then show him the finalized sketch of what I need. When I was over there earlier, I had just a rough sketch that I showed him, and he understood what I wanted. So we'll see what happens.
You do. You have grease on your back.
Yep, that's from working everybody's rigs, going underneath them.
Yep.
Mine especially, because it's a low rider. All right, I guess I'll let y'all go. Later.